Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy wasn't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me, you're...
Hello, my gingerbread and jelly bean. Welcome back to the episode of JVLOGS. This is Plunkett speaking. No, I'm shooting this video from my GoPro camera. I want to kind of change up things a bit, as you can see. Based on my background, you can see my computers in my background. The window is behind me compared to my bed being behind me. It's a very small room, so I'm trying to kind of change up things to make my videos more professional, because I've been like looking on my channel and seeing that I haven't been professional, I haven't been my best, and that bothers me a lot. Still trying to get a new camera, but trying to use this resolution on the GoPro instead of my regular camera. This is a very old camera. This is probably an 8-year-old camera. It's a Nikon Coolpix. So it's 12 megapixel and stuff like that. So now we have cameras that shoot in 24 megapixels and stuff. So you can see the difference of the quality. So hopefully the quality with this in the nighttime, videoing from an artificial light, you basically can see the difference. Now, this video is requested from my jelly bean thing, Cindy. She said I should do a video about Jamaican Patwah, basically teaching Jamaican Patwah. So this is basically me teaching or giving away the Jamaican secrets of teaching Jamaican Patwah. So the first thing I would say is Wagwan. So when we say Wagwan, it simply means hello or how you doing in English. So Wagwan, hello in English. Medea. Me there, so that means I'm here. The next one we look at is how you mean. This can be used as a slang, like how you mean. It don't necessarily mean what do you mean in English. It's like how you mean is like more of me like praising you, or somebody do something or say something, or it is used in a form where, like I said, two person arguing and you want to boost up, or you want to, fire up the person and say, how you mean, you know what I mean? Like somebody arguing and it'd be like you're trying to, put add flame to the fire. So you basically say, how you mean, cuss the girl, this and that, cuss the boy, fight him, stuff like that. So it has a lot of flair to it, and this is the problem. This is the issue that I have with explaining these things. You have to kind of be in a scenario to basically get the best experience of it. So like me telling you is going to be really hard to basically explain it, but you will get the drift of it all. So for example, you would say go over this. So pretty much go over this. Go over this means go over there in English. So go over this. So normally your parents will be talking to a child, or the child butts into a conversation and parents basically run them away. Go over this, like one over this. So it's meaning go over there or go away. The next thing that we look at is how to greet your partner, say something sweet to your partner. You would say Wagwan babes. Wagwan babes, you look sexy today, in English that is, hey baby, you look really nice today. So it's like, Wagwan babes, you look good today. The next one we look at is, like say a man complimenting a female, say, you're hot like fire. You're hot like fire. That simply means you're sexy or you look fabulous in English. Say, you're hot like fire. So it's in a more figurative sense than literal. So literally, you're hot like fire mean that you're on fire, you need water, you're sweating. But a man saying that a female is hot like fire, she looks really good, or she's very sexy. The next thing we look at is a Jamaican man will tell a fluffy girl, you roll like English pound. Don't take that as an offense. He's complimenting you. It's so funny. It's so funny to me. When you say that you roll like an English pound, it means that you're a fluffy girl and you look good. You're round, you know what I mean? You roll like an English pound. Hey, Jamaican people are the best. So females, if you have a bigger body, if you're a big body woman and a Jamaican guy say, hey babes, you roll like an English pound, or you have a Coca-Cola body shape, that's simply mean that you shape good. You shape like a Pepsi bottle, like a Coca-Cola bottle shape, you know, female. Next thing that we look at, I'm trying not to do like the negative stuff, I'm more stay on the positive side. But if you should ever be in an argument or anything with a Jamaican, and you know, and say a Jamaican partner arguing with you, and him say, hey girl, go away, or hey girl, watch what you say, or you know what I mean, he's been disrespectful to you, say it simply mean careful what you're saying. You know what I mean? Him say, hey girl, watch your mouth. So it's not in a literal sense, watch your mouth or watch somebody else's mouth. Is basically saying be careful how you're speaking to me. When you say, hey girl, watch your mouth, or don't diss me. That simply means don't disrespect me. If you grow with Jamaican parents, it gets more difficult because a lot of times Jamaican parents will be angry at you and they'll say things to you and you don't understand it right there and then. Like, if you do something as a child growing up and a Jamaican parent say, like they come in and they're angry at you and you do something and they tell you about it and you still do it again, they'll say sometimes like my mom used to say to me, post belly full rap body bitter. Oh God. Listen, whenever Jamaican parents say these old stuff to you, you feel a sense of fear that something is going to go down, like something are gonna happen. Post belly full rap body bitter. Post belly full rap body bitter. Even in Jamaican dialect, a lot of people don't understand that. So it's like one person is happy, the next person is sad. That's what it's pretty much saying, because puss and rat, puss belly full, rat body bitter. So it means that cat eat mouse. So basically, so it's a threat. So when you dissect it, you have to really read into these stuff when Jamaican people say stuff to you. You have to take your time to read into it. Puss belly full, rat body bitter. Puss eat rat. So it's like, alright, I just break a vase, or I just do something and my mother warn me and I go back and do the same thing again. Puss belly full rat body bitter. So you kind of catch the gist of it all. Yeah, so, and the next thing that we can look at is basically being sweet to your partner, saying nice stuff to your partner. As Jamaicans, we like, you know, when people talk to us in the, you know, our dialect, you know, with a lot of style, a lot of flair. You know, say, like you have a boyfriend and say, yo, babes, you look hot, you know. Like how you step out well fresh, you know. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. It's going to be hard for me because I'm a guy and I normally compliment females. So I'm trying to kind of like reminisce on what females would say to me. Alright, let's go to our next one. Them. So Jamaican have a funny thing with them. Well, with the wording things, they and them mean more than one. It's plural. He and she singular, they and them plural. It's a group of people. If you would go to a supermarket with your mother or your father and they'll send their child to go over there so and call it them Tulaskode, or go over this and go for the bag them, or go take up a book them, or go clean up the plate them, go wash your clothes them. You get the drift? So there's a lot of them. So when we say them, we understand what it means. If you are American or anybody else and you hear Jamaican say take up them or take up the plate them or take up them, anything they'll tell you an action word to do, it means go for those things. Go and wash the plate them. Go and wash the dishes. Go pick up the rubbish. Go pick up the rubbish them. Or go pick up the rubbish them outside. Go and sweep up the rubbish outside. That's what it means. So when you say them, it's a plural form. We're talking about multiple things. So them normally refers to a set of people. When we say them, it could be people, animal, food, anything at all. It could be a group of dollar. Take out the dollar them. Take up the, you know. So that's how we use them in its plural form. We use a lot of that. So you have to kind of understand where that is concerned. Say if your boyfriend talk to you and say, babes, take out the plate, take out the clothes them for me off of the line. He's basically telling you to take up all the clothes off the line. You know, so it takes time to learn all these things. It takes time. You have to be around Jamaicans and understand how they speak and understand the dialect. But I'll say thanks for watching JVLOGS, and to make over this video and come again cut. I definitely need to refine this because this is going all over the place now.